Hi, Dr. P here from Advanced Care Medical Center, and today I'm going to talk to you about biotoxins. Now, biotoxins are very important because they can act like a lot of other diseases. So I really want you to understand what they are. Now, biotoxins are toxins produced by living organisms, not like the ones made at your local chemical plant down the street. So we have ones made by mold, like that yucky stuff that you'll see growing in the basement after the basement floods. That mold can actually produce toxins that can make you sick. The next thing we have is biotoxins made by bacteria. Now, this is not the good bacteria that's in probiotics that you find growing in your gut. This is bacteria that's made by things like the bacteria that causes Lyme's disease or certain strains of strep throat, or even food poisoning can make biotoxins. The next type of biotoxin is insect bites. Yeah, those little critters and buggers, they can actually bite you and inject a toxin in you. Now I'm talking more about the insects that are blood-biting insects. So things like spiders and fleas and other types of blood-borne insects. And our very last category of biotoxins are algae that can produce toxins. And these are the ones that we'll see more so down in like Florida with red tide or around tropical reefs. Although we have seen ones in states like Maryland with Pfiesteria. Now, I had mentioned earlier that biotoxins can mimic other diseases. So they can often look like things like fibromyalgia, irritable bowel, cardiovascular disease. And sometimes they get missed because there are very specialized tests to determine if there is illness caused by biotoxins. And the next time I talk, I'm going to go over how to diagnose biotoxins from other illnesses.